Hi everyone, I'm going to start a rice cooker series. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a full meal, dishes, soups and desserts just by using a rice cooker. I'll be using a basic rice cooker, but you can also use multifunctional rice cooker for these recipes. So for the first recipe, I'm going to show you how to make chicken rice. It's so simple using a rice cooker and it tastes so delicious as well. First, let's prep the chicken. I'm using 2 whole chicken legs. Make sure you remove any clots around this bone area. If you're using a basic rice cooker, make a few slits along the thickest part of the chicken thigh and the drumstick so that the chicken cooks through more easily. Then season the chicken with some salt, rub the salt all over the chicken. And I'm going to leave this to marinate for about half an hour. Once the chicken is ready, prep the rice. Here I have 2 cups of jasmine rice. You can also use basmati rice or any rice of your choice. I have already washed the rice beforehand. Just make sure you rinse the rice a few times until the water is clear. Now let's add the rice into the rice cooker. Add in the rice. Add water. The water to rice ratio is usually 1:1, but I'm going to add slightly less than 2 cups of water because the chicken is going to release moisture as well, so I don't want the rice to be too soggy. So different rice cookers function differently. You probably need to test the water level a few times before you get the right texture for the rice. Add a few slices of ginger, add some spring onions, then add the chicken. Cover with the lid. Press the keep warm function and press the cook button. So the tricky part with using a basic rice cooker is that the rice cooker tends to finish cooking before the chicken is cooked. I know different rice cookers work differently, but for this particular one, it tends to finish cooking within 20 minutes and the chicken is not cooked. So what I normally do is I let it continue on the keep warm function for about 40 to 45 minutes or so until the chicken is cooked through thoroughly. If the chicken is still not cooked by then, just press the cook button again and let it cook until the chicken is cooked through. Another option is to cut the chicken into smaller pieces so that it cooks faster. Okay, it's done. Wow, smells so good. Some rice, chicken, add some garlic oil. You can also use shallot oil. Don't skip this garlic oil because it adds a lot of fragrance to the dish. Some light soy sauce. And garnish with some coriander. Okay, can't wait to try this. Wow, looks so good. Get some rice. The chicken is tender and the rice is so fragrant with the garlic oil and the light soy sauce. I hope you enjoy this dish. I'll be coming up with more rice cooker recipes, so do subscribe and stay tuned.